With the recent release of the James Webb Space Telescope's magnificent first images, we got a glimpse of what the $10 billion observatory is capable of. But although these initial images are spectacular in so many ways, they only represent the tip of the iceberg, because we still have so much more to look forward to. Webb has possibly more than 10 years of deep space observations left, according to NASA. In the coming weeks, months, and years, we will see all kinds of cosmic phenomena like distant planets, young stars, enormous galaxies, and chaotic black holes. So now that we have an idea of what we can expect from Webb, you might be wondering what comes next. Well, from what I can find, the ambitious telescope has a packed schedule of science programs ahead. Although the results of these programs won't be released until they have been peer-reviewed, meaning the science community has assessed the results first. The one thing we can look forward to, however, is many more mind-blowing images. According to NASA, Webb has already captured more images beyond the ones we have seen so far that further showcase its capabilities. They just haven't released them yet, but NASA confirms that they will be rolling them out in the coming weeks. The latest to be released is this magnificent view of the Cartwheel Galaxy, which at around 500 million light-years away is a rare sight. The image gives us an incredible view of its wagon wheel-like structure and allows us to peer deep into the galaxy like never before, revealing new details about star formation and the mysterious black hole at its center. We also got an incredible look at Jupiter and its large moon Europa during Webb's commissioning stage, giving us an idea of what we can expect when Webb turns its powerful infrared gaze onto the worlds of our solar system. So what are Webb's next targets? Well, we can find out using the Space Telescope Science Institute's weekly schedule, which reveals the cosmic objects the observatory is currently studying. In this week's schedule, for example, we have lots of different stars and galaxies being observed. We can see the day and time of when Webb will be used and the duration of how long it will be used for. We can see which instrument and mode is required for the observation. But the most interesting sections are the last 3 columns, which allows us to find out the target's name, category, and some key words that go along with that target. Some of the standout targets include an enormous comet drifting through our solar system called Pan-STARRS C17K2. The galaxy M31, also known as Andromeda, and M33, also known as the Triangulum Galaxy. These 2 galaxies are a part of our local group of galaxies that include the Milky Way. As you can see, M33 has a lot of time allocated to it, so I'm excited to see what comes from this observation. Every week a new schedule is uploaded, and anyone can view it using the link I'll put in the description of this video. Besides the exciting views of gigantic stars, thick cosmic clouds, and spiraling galaxies, Webb will also be analysing the atmospheres of 70 distant planets far beyond our solar system this year. The first data to be collected was from the exoplanet called WASP-96b, which was released as part of Webb's first images, and revealed that the alien world was covered with a hot, puffy atmosphere of clouds and haze, and the distinct signature of water. Going forward, NASA has confirmed that a Webb observation team plans to probe the depths of a hot Jupiter-type exoplanet called HD 189733b, a scorching world a little larger than our own Jupiter that rains glass sideways and orbits its star so tightly that a year takes only 2 days. Webb has also begun looking for atmospheres in the famous planetary group called TRAPPIST-1, which contains 7 roughly Earth-sized planets in tight orbits around a star less than 10% the size of the Sun. So what's next for the James Webb Space Telescope? Well, if you look through Webb's past schedules, you will find that it has already peered at asteroids, exoplanets, galaxies, local planets, comets, molecular clouds, supernova remnants, and much more. And it's only been active since early July 2022, so there is plenty of potential for many groundbreaking discoveries just around the corner. If you want to stay up to date with future targets in between the amazing images being released, then check out Webb's weekly schedule using the link I mentioned in the description. The telescope is expected to last for a few decades, so we can more than likely look forward to many incredible announcements, provided it has enough fuel and withstands the harsh realities of life in space, of course. During its time gazing at the stars, it will act as a sort of time machine, allowing astronomers and the public a small, sparkling window into the mysteries of the universe. So stay tuned, because if you found the first set of images incredible, the ones to come will no doubt blow your mind. I hope you enjoyed this update on the James Webb Space Telescope. If you did, tap the like button, subscribe, and remember to turn on your notification bell so that you never miss an upload. If you want more space, then why not check out this video? Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.